Hello everyone, hope you're all fine. You and yours are fine, and you are enjoying some good recipes, some good food, having adventure and fun with your cooking, and of course, enjoying it too. So, all of you, all those who are the family members on this YouTube channel, and all those who are yet to become our family members, a very warm welcome to you all. And today I have brought you the recipe of Seekh Kabab from Pakistan. It is again a very famous kebab in Pakistan, and in fact these kinds of kebabs are made in Persia, in Turkey and Iran as well, and other countries as well. But the way we make it in Pakistan, I'm going to share that recipe with you today. They are very delicious, very yummy, and they are made with raw minced meat. Okay, and I'll tell you how. They're like there's a pipeline. They're like a pipe, they're hollow from inside, and I'll tell you also how to make those hollow Seekh Kabab. Okay, so all of you who are not yet our family members on this YouTube channel, please subscribe to the channel and become our family members, and join us in our mission to spread organic cooking and free online HRD workshops around the world for everybody. These two things, I have taken up this mission of spreading these two things because knowledge is power, and health is also very important for our lives. So if we are healthy, we can lead a happy life. Help me in this mission, support me, become our YouTube channel family members by subscribing to the channel, and come into my kitchen. Let's make Seekh Kabab. These Seekh Kabab that I'm going to make are made of mutton. Okay, I'm using minced mutton to make these Seekh Kabab. They can be made of minced veal meat as well, and of course they can be made of beef as well. So whatever you want to use, even chicken, they can be made anyway, but whatever meat you want to choose and to make these Seekh Kabab with, you can choose, especially the red meat. This is the recipe for the red meat, not for white meat. I will not recommend this recipe for white meat. This is for red meat only, either beef or mutton or veal. Okay, veal is also beef in a way. So I will tell you what ingredients we are going to use for making these Seekh Kabab. One is 1 kg of minced meat I have with me. It is mutton minced meat that I have with me, 1 kg of it. We will need 2 eggs in it. Okay, you can see 2 eggs in my plate, and with it I have some green chilies also. If you don't like green chilies, you can omit them. If you like them more, you can add them. If you like them less, you can lessen the amount of green chilies. Okay, then I have 2 tomatoes with me, and they are peeled because all of you know that my tomatoes are frozen, and after whatever number of tomatoes I need afterwards, I take them out and I put them in warm water and I take their peel off. So these are peeled tomatoes in front of you, and then I have taken 2 medium-sized onions and just chopped them thick slices because I'm going to use a chopper to chop them later on. And I have 5 pieces of bread here. My bread was small in size, that's why I took 5 pieces. If you have a bigger bread, then you can take 4 pieces as well. Then I took some garlic cloves, 8 to 10 garlic cloves, big garlic cloves. And in these 2 bowls, in one bowl in which you can see something white that's more in quantity, that is 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Okay, and in the other bowl are 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Fine. And spices, of course, we have salt and we have red chili powder. If you don't like the taste of red chili powder, you can omit it. If you like it more, you can, well, the amount of salt and red chili powder is totally up to you, according to your taste. Okay, then I have dried coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of dried coriander powder, half a teaspoon of carom seeds, and 1 teaspoon of black cumin. That is all that we are going to need to make these yummy Seekh Kabab. First of all, what I have done is, because my tomatoes were frozen, so I have crushed them a bit in my hand crusher. I've crushed my garlic as well and my green chilies as well. And what did I do with my bread pieces? All 5 of them. I have cut them into squares with the help of a knife like this. And I'm adding those bread squares to my chopper bowl, the food processor chopper bowl that I have with me. I am adding that bread to this chopper bowl. And after that, after the bread has gone in, I'm also adding what I crushed in the hand crusher, that was garlic, tomatoes and green chilies. They will also go in, all of them. The next thing to go in will be eggs. You can see 2 egg yolks here in my chopper bowl, and that means both the eggs have gone in now into the chopper bowl to be chopped with the rest of to be mixed up with the rest of the things, and everything will be chopped, of course, in this chopper. And we don't forget the dry ingredients at all. We are going to add in our baking powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 2 tablespoons of corn flour as well to this chopper bowl. The dry ingredients are also now going in. And when we are talking about dry ingredients, we don't forget our spices. And the spices plate that we got ready with us, all the spices from it go into the chopper bowl. Okay, here you see, now I put the lid on my chopper bowl and fixed it, and it's ready to be chopped. And I've pushed the button and it's chopping the things up. And when after a few seconds I open up my chopper lid, this is what I find. The bread has been chopped very, very fine and mixed up with all the dry and wet ingredients, and this is the texture, this is the shape it has got into. The bread was because it was it took a lot of space beforehand. It filled up my chopper bowl. Now because it has been mashed and chopped very fine, now the chopper bowl is just almost or less than half full, and I have got space in it. And I'm going to fill in that space with the 2 onions that I had cut. I'm going to add those onions to my chopper bowl. And here you go, I've pushed the button again and I've chopped the onions as well. You can see them being chopped, and they are finely chopped but not too finely chopped, they still exist, and you can see the granules of the onions in this mixture that you have now, that we have chopped in the chopper. And this is what you will also make, and this is what will be required to make the Seekh Kabab. I have now taken a platter and taken out my mixture of bread and onions and all the spices from the chopper, and I will put them in this platter, and in the same bowl, no need to wash it because we have to mix up all the ingredients anyways. So in the same bowl I am going to put in my meat now, minced meat now, and chop it even further. That means I need very, very finely chopped minced meat for my Seekh Kabab. Okay, so I will chop it further, make it finer. See, I'm chopping it, and you know why? You might have this question in mind, why do I want to make it finer? Well, the finer it is, the better, because when I make it into Seekh Kabab afterwards and I fry those Seekh Kabab, deep fry them, if the meat is not very, very finely chopped, what will happen? The outer layer of it will disintegrate into the oil. Okay, so it has to be very, very finely chopped, and you get the best results if your meat is well done. Now you see it come to one side, the minced meat in my chopper bowl, and that shows it's finely chopped now. So I have taken it out onto the same platter that I had taken out the bread and onion and spices mixture onto, and of course these things will be mixed up. I have chopped half my minced meat, the other half I will chop and I will add to this mixture. Okay, so I've mixed up the two things together, the spices, the bread, the onions and the meat, and here it is ready with us now to be made into Seekh Kabab. And to make Seekh Kabab you will need some extra things as well, and one is, in my white small bowl I have taken some water. We will be needing water, and besides that I have taken this ladle. This ladle's back side, the stick of the ladle, we will be using to make these Seekh Kababs so that they become hollow. And it's very easy. You don't specifically need Seekh to do it. You can do it with this ladle also that you might have at home, and it's very easy, or anything round like this that you might have at home. So I will just tell you how to do it. Yes, so take a little batter or the mixture that you have made, and wet your hands, wet the inside of your hands, your palms and fingers, and wet the ladle end as well a bit. And then like this you are going to put this fold this mixture onto this stick of the ladle. Okay, like I have folded it over it, and with the help of your fingers and palm you're going to press it, and you're going to not leave any line or space or joining line. You're just going to make it very, very smooth with the help of your hands. And remember, make the inside of your hands, the fingers and palm, wet with water. Okay, then do that, and it will become like this. It will become longer, and it will be on your ladle stick like this. So do that, try doing that. It's easy, it's not difficult. And then slowly you slide your kebab off the stick. Okay, off the stick, and you put it in the tray. Or if you think the shape is not well enough, you can take it in your palm and fingers, and you can just shape it up well and leave both the ends open, like I have left the ends open, and then put them in the tray like this. I have 4 kebabs here, molded kebabs here, ready to be fried in front of you. And this is how they are made. They're very easy. It might take a little time when you start off, and because you will not have practice, but with practice you won't take a lot of time making them. This is actually the essence of these kebabs, the shape of these kebabs. It is very important that you shape them this way. So practice a bit and you will be able to. And then in a wok, take the oil that you normally take for deep frying, and you add in your Seekh Kabab to the oil very, very slowly. Okay, let the oil first heat up, like on medium heat. You can heat the oil first, and then you can lower the flame on low heat. Then you are going to add these kebabs to the oil, and you're going to keep frying them on low heat, because they are made of raw meat and we want the meat to be cooked well. So on low heat cook them. Okay, and you will keep turning them in the wok, and they will be fried from all sides. Then take them out, and you see I've taken them out in my dish, and I've served them with ketchup and with mint chutney, green mint chutney. And the recipes of both ketchup and homemade ketchup and mint chutney, yogurt mint chutney, are there on our channel, and you can just go to the playlist and you can find both these recipes there. And some people might like it with ketchup more, some people might like it with the mint chutney more, so it depends upon your taste. And look how beautiful they are looking in a dish. So you can serve them to your family, to your friends, to your relatives, to your guests, to your guests in the restaurant as well, to children and to grown-ups. Everybody will like them. They are very tasty. You can also serve them with naan if you want to. You can serve them with tea. You can serve them with coffee. That depends upon your choice. You can serve them with a cold drink as well, okay, soft drink. So it's upon your choice, upon your wish, and upon your need as well. So do make these Seekh Kabab at home, and do tell me, give me your feedback, how you like them, and like and share the recipe please, and subscribe to our channel, and let's take our mission further. Become a part of this group, this family, okay? And take care of yourselves, take care of your loved ones, give them healthy and yummy food to eat, and they will be happy with you, and that will make you happy as well. So remember me in your prayers. Cheers.